could definitely see like an iPhone 4 repair probably would be harder than this, the way it's looking now. Doesn't look like it's gonna be that hard. Like I said, if you want to, you can leave comments on fixed laptop screens, but it's the first time for everything. Now behind here is a wire with a digitizer. I don't know if you can see it, that little piece hanging down there. Yeah, right there. It's a wire and a digitizer. You want to make sure that you disconnect that and don't rip it. Once again, you rip it, you could be done. Now I'm just gonna move this back. Peel this plastic back a little, just so I can see what I'm doing. Well, I guess it comes off. Here's a new part. This is a piece that I'm wrestling with right now, so I guess it stays on. Alright, it's free. It's free, it's free, it's free. I don't know what's the purpose of this guard. I'm not going to question it. People got a reason for what they do. But I was taught by a guy that always told me to put whatever you find back where it goes. So the old screen. Now we're going to put the new screen on. New screen. Still in the plastic, like a rubber. And all we're going to do is just put it back on how we took the old one off. Lay this down, attach that piece there. I don't know how it goes. I don't know if I can see this. It's not really that bad though. No, I should have just. Stuff is irritating, man. It's just a little sticky and it's sticking everywhere. Not allowing me to do what I need to do right now. But we're in the right circle. Yes, sir. Good. Got to. Now, putting everything back on to the frame. Or some of you would call it the let's get it moment. Ooh, sweet. That happens. Another one. As you can see, we're rolling right along, just like we should. Couldn't ask for a better fit. Who else but us? We got these 4 screws to drop in here, which I really didn't need to take out, but for some reason I thought they needed to come out, but it's nothing. Drop those in there, on each side. And now take this screen off. A little bit of tape that's on the edge. Peel that off. off easy. Now, any screen, I do want to tell you, you definitely want to clean it off with a microfiber cloth. It's the best thing to clean any cell phone screen or anything off with microfiber. Tell them Amp told you. This is what I used to wipe down all my cell phone repairs with. I'll tell you what, if you sell microfiber cloths, drop me a link, man, and give me a comment or a number I can call you at or something, because I like to buy a lot of them. They keep everything clean. So now we got to sit here and wrestle with this again. Drop this screen here back down. See what I told you? Boy, don't play no games, man. Now we put back in a few screws that we took out. Put these few screws back in where they go. We're almost done here. Power it up, see if it works, tell me what you think. Should be good to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. Laptop, screen repair Toshiba, right in front of you. No pauses, no breaks. It was actually done in 15 minutes, but once again, brought to you by A&M Accessories and Parts, right here in Palm Bay, Florida, 32905, 1510 Palm Bay Road. Like us on Facebook. As you can see, it's not a gimmick. This is what we're doing. Thank you for your time.